translate my student number 0 to 4. Today I'm going to talk about how to make stir-fry basil with chicken and how to making fried eggs. And first of all, let's get to know the ingredient for making stir-fry basil. Okay, 1 cup minced chicken, 2 ground garlic 1 teaspoon, 3 vegetable oil 2 teaspoon, 4 light soy sauce 2 teaspoon, 5 2 tablespoon of fish sauce, 6 sugar 1 teaspoon, 7 basil leaf 1 handful, 8 1 tablespoon pound chili peppers, and 9 3 cup of broth. Okay, let's hear how to do it. Step 1, put oil in the pan, turn on medium heat, wait until it's hot, then add garlic and chili and stir fry 5 until 10 seconds until the aroma start to smell. Then add the minced chicken and stir fry the chicken is cooked. Okay, step 2, season with soy sauce, sugar, fish sauce, broth, and add basil leaf to the pan. Stir well before turning off the heat and remove from the pan. Okay, and step 3, when the stir-fry basil chicken are cooked, put on the plate. Okay, and next let's hear how to make fried eggs. Step 1, break 1 egg in a pan, in a bowl. And step 2, put oil in a pan. Step 3, wait for the pan to be hot. Step 4, put the eggs in the pan. Step 5, fry the eggs until the eggs are cooked. And step 6, when the eggs are cooked, put them on a plate. Okay, and ready to eat with stir-fry basil with chicken. I hope this method will make you cook deliciously and enjoy your eating.